Hello everyone, it's me Chappy from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make Do Not Disturb automatically turn on opening particular apps in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open any web browser and Google search for one application named as AutoDND and you will see a tons of websites. So you can see the second website is the developer website. Just click on it. Just scroll down below. Now you'll see here releases. Just click on it. Now you'll see here AutoDND.apk. So you need to download this file. So finally the file has been downloaded. Now just click on this open. Click on install. Now click on open. So now it's asking to allow some permission. Just click on this red button. Just enable this AutoDND. Click on allow. Move back, click on OK, just click on this install apps. Now just click on this AutoDND toggle, just turn it on, click on allow and move back. So now just click on this all apps. Now you can select your respective applications or you can select the system applications also, whichever application you want to add. So I'm gonna select the all apps and let me select one application, say calculator. So you can see it's added. Now click on this added apps. Now you can see. So you can add tons of applications here. So just for an example, I'm adding one application, calculator. So now you can just minimize it. Now let me swipe down the notification panel. So now you can see the do not disturb is not being enabled. So right now you can see. So let me try to open this application. And now you can see on the above one icon is showing up. So let me show you by swiping down the notification panel. So you can see do not disturb is being turned on once I open the respective selected application. And if I close it, so now we can see do not disturb is being disabled again. So by using this cool application named as AutoDND, you can easily make do not disturb automatically turn on opening particular apps in Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about this cool application, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.